Did you know that what you decide to eat, especially your favorite food, says a lot about who you are? Your favorite food can reveal a lot about your personality. Followers, as we explore the cultural and psychological significance of your favorite cuisine and offer a ton of amazing food psychology information. This is Esculenta Science. Let's begin by dissecting the four primary flavor profiles. Sometimes we know them as taste. They are sweet, sour, salty, and bitter. First of all, if you are a sugar addict, people who enjoy sugar and other sweet foods are probably more amiable, kind, and sympathetic than those who favor bitter or spicy flavors, according to a study published in the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology. So, congrats if you are the person. This implies that you are generally a pleasant person to be around. Researchers from 3 different universities, North Dakota State, St. Xavier in Chicago, and Gettysburg in Pennsylvania, came to the same conclusion. Those who choose to eat a chocolate bar instead of a non-sweet item are more inclined to volunteer to assist those in need. They were quite literally the loveliest folks. Dr. Michelle Robinson, an associate psychology professor at North Dakota State University, discovered in another study that those who preferred sweet foods were more gregarious than their counterparts who preferred bitter, salty, and sour foods. We can also analyze people who enjoy a variety of sweet meals and what it can indicate about them. First, let's see gummy bears. Joy for lovers of gummy bears. It turns out that a predilection for chewy candies is frequently indicative of an extrovert who values pleasant relationships and is an optimist. Sundaes with ice cream. It's said that those who enjoy ice cream possess a sense of excitement and surprise at the world or even a childhood innocence. Owing to the wide variety of cones, toppings, and flavors available, it's said that those whose dream date night involves visiting an ice cream shop appreciate life mysteries and believe there is always more to learn. Stated differently, they are constantly searching for the icing on the cake. Then cookies with chocolate chips. Let's be honest. Almost everybody enjoys a freshly made cookie. In fact, the scent of them causes the production of oxytocin, the hormone that is commonly referred to as the cuddle, love, and bonding hormone. Theobromine, a substance having a relaxing influence, is another ingredient found in chocolate. So, if chocolate chip cookies are your favorite food right now, it's possible that you're feeling a little anxious, worn out, or overly busy. Although the cookie is consoling, we hope you also take some much needed time for yourself. Licorice. You're obviously a little outdated if your vision of heaven is hard black or crimson candy. Do you enjoy hand-cover books, all John Hughes films from 90s, and black and white movies as well? Adorers of the bark-like candies are frequently looked up by their peers and co-workers for their self-control, strong work ethics, and overall refined demeanor. Chocolate bars made by Hershey. A bar of Hershey's is straightforward and traditional as they come, and it turns out that's precisely what it says about you. If this chocolate bar is your favorite, then you are easy to please, pleasant, and kind. Simply put, all it takes to be joyful is little. You're probably trustworthy and skilled with scary as well. Now let's see if you have a slight saltiness. As we continue this video, it's important to remember that taste is something that humans experience before birth. Studies have suggested that a kid may taste things through the amniotic fluid while still in the womb based on what its mother eats. The mother's eating habits also have an influence on the flavor of breast milk. Naturally, people are drawn to flavors they are familiar with, and our preferences may be influenced by early exposure to a variety of tastes, particularly during childhood. A person's preferences may alter over the course of their life due to changes in their personality, class, status, and general interest as they age. But a lot of it will probably stem from your early tasting sensations and the surroundings you grew up in. This can have both positive and negative effects. For example, you may detest the taste of coffee after taking a sip from your parents' cup when you were younger and burning your tongue, even though you may adore apples because your childhood house had an apple tree. Though salty Domino's pizza and potato chips generally evoke images of someone longing on the couch, if you have a love for salty snacks, this is often a sign of desire and motivation. High standards are set by salt eaters, and a fondness for the saltier aspects of life is sometimes indicative of a super taster. This represents 25% of people on the planet who have more taste buds than the typical individual. You become more sensitive to bitter, sour, and especially spicy foods as a result, making them less pleasurable, yet salt strikes the perfect balance. Let's take a peek at some of our faves from the salty category. First, mac and cheese. You are the purist who enjoys comfort of the classics, whether they are wonderful meals, movies, or novels. If mac and cheese is your favorite dish, you may not have much of creative spirit, but you have a deep sense of belonging and comfort. Then let's look at pizza. Pizza lovers are typically outgoing people who enjoy spending time with friends. They are usually gregarious individuals who derive their energy from social interactions and a cheese-filled crust. Then hot dogs. Hot dogs are typically the food of choice of sports lovers or those who participated in a lot of sports as children. Probably on the game day with the sun on your back, the game on the field, and a bun in your hand, the simple hot dog brings you back. Sushi fans are generally well-traveled, appreciate great cuisine and drink, and seems to have some knowledge of art history. They are also commonly identified as foodies with a penchant for the finger things. This is definitely a sophisticated pastime. Potato chips. Chips enthusiasts rejoice. According to Alan Hirsch, a neurological director of the Smell and Taste Treatment and Research Foundation in Chicago, people who have fondness for potato chips are frequently driven to accomplish individuals. Eating from a family bag could be a sign of an competitive edge and high expectations for both yourself and other people. The most aggressive, the go-getter, and the ones that never accept a no, according to the Hirsch, are the people that prefer potato chips. Put another way, they are putting one chip in front of the others as they make their way to greatness. Then a sour taste in your mouth. On to the bittersweet loves one. Studies reveal that people with a craving for meals that are acidic, sour, or citrusy are frequently nervous and worried. When we are feeling low, our bodies use citrus fruits like lemon, lime, and ginger, whether naturally or chemically flavored, to help fight off sickness. Thus, having a taste for sour food is usually a passing phase and indicates a primordial impulse, a sign that your body is trying to fight against something. Alana Kessler, a licensed nutritionist from New York City and the creator of the health blog Be Well, discussed those who enjoy sour candies in particular, stating that people seek out sour food when they are restless and anxious. Sweet in general are frequently utilized as comfort food. If you have simultaneous craving for both sweet and sour foods, it may indicate that you are nervous but that you can easily restore equilibrium to your life. Well done! Then bitter is better. It's said that those who enjoy bitter foods such as coffee, dark chocolates, and possibly even red wine are the best at voicing their ideas. The journal Appetite published two research in 2015 that found a positive correlation between this bitter preference that narcissists and antisocial tendencies. The good news is that you are most likely to explore new foods and flavors if you can tolerate intense bitterness. Have a spirit of adventure. Finally, if you are really hot, alright. So umami is the primary flavor. Nevertheless, if you are a hard heat seeker in your eating habits, this may reveal you than anything else. Those who enjoy spicy and hot meals are typically adventurous people, similar to the bitter ones, but with a higher gear. According to a 2013 Institute of Food Technology study, high sensation-seeking people like adding extra spice to their food, and spice liking was linked to risk-taking behavior. Conversely, people who are looking for low sensations favored a safer, risk-free way of life. So, what is your favorite dish? Then, does your personality fit these too? We hope this video has helped you understand how some of the ways your favorite foods can reveal something about who you are. Did any of these statements apply to you? Please share your favorite cuisine in the comment section below. Have we addressed about them all? Feel free to contribute any ideas you may have. Please hit the like button and share this video with others who are attempting to determine their dietary preferences if you found it helpful. Remember to click notification bell and subscribe to Escalator Science in order to receive updates on new videos. We appreciate your time and we hope to see you again soon. Thanks for watching.